Hello everyone. I've made this short video to walk through the process of creating a courier contract with Moonpire service provider. I'll cover calculating the shipping cost, working out collateral, and tracking everything via Discord. The first thing to know is that you can set up a courier contract with any character. This can be an alt living in JITA who may not have docking rights or be in your corporation. Alternatively, your main character living in LowSec can create the contract remotely via the Assets window. Let me show you how I normally do things. You can see that I'm logged into a character in JITA. This is my alt who has purchased a ship and damage control. Being extra sure that I am in JITA for MOONFIRE and not any other station, I will use the Moonpire website to set my desired destination and start by creating a courier contract. Here I will copy across the name, so I know it is exactly right. I then proceed through and select the items I wish to send. At the bottom right, you can see the volume in M3. This needs to be entered into the website to calculate the shipping cost. Now, select Next and enter your destination. One strange thing I struggled with was that despite typing the exact name, Eve would not find it. The way I worked around this was to get my main character to send the exact destination station. I dragged that into the destination, which seems to have worked for me. For collateral, it is calculated in the following way. We use the estimated price to value our items. This is then entered into the Moonpire website. Moonpire asks for 1% of the item's value and adds that to the shipping cost. Here is an example of what that could look like. You have a ship worth 12 million-esque. We enter this number into the website. 1% of that is 120,000. The website then adds this to the delivery fee for that volume of goods. What this means is that for 1% of the item's cost, he will ensure your items are delivered. Otherwise, you will receive 100% of the item's price back in esque. So now that everything is calculated, we enter the combined delivery and insurance cost into the reward field. This is the price we are paying for the delivery. If you are happy that everything has been included, proceed through and confirm the values. Please ensure you are sending items from the correct JITA station and contract to Moonpire service provider, the actual corporation. If you do happen to make a mistake or miss something, you'll get your delivery fee back by canceling the contract. Next, I will show you how to track this item's delivery on Discord. Start by clicking the link on the website and opening Discord. The server has instructions for setting up the character's contract tracker. What you need to do is copy this command and start a conversation with the bot by sending this message. Click the link that is generated and authorize the character you're using to create the contracts. In my example, I used my JITA alt, but if you wish, you could create the contract using your main character and selecting the items to contract from the Assets window. I personally found that it took a few hours for my contracts to be detected by the bot after registering. By entering the command $ and contracts, it will give an update on all your outstanding contracts. Alternatively, you can wait to be automatically notified as things change from the status of outstanding, in progress, and finished. This is what a finished contract looks like. Please note that although Moonpire usually delivers within a day, he is one person running 46 accounts. As he may be on at different times of the day, he will be unable to give you estimates on when the next delivery will be. I personally find that by looking at his website and what is in progress, I can get a rough idea of when his last delivery was, or if I've just missed one. Once your delivery has been completed, you will need to use the Assets window to transfer the items to your main character living in nullsec. This is a matter of creating an item exchange and being very sure to select your main character. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Here are some answers to common questions that Moonpire receives. Thank you for your time, and as always, Fly safe.